Hello everyone, myself Mas Bhagavatimal, assistant from professor from AEDS department. Topic name is drones in delivering mail, parcel and other cargo. Drones are rapidly gaining traction in logistics, offering a new way to deliver mail, parcel and cargo with speed, efficiency and lower environment impact. Here's how drones are being used for delivery and the advantages they bring to the sector. Speed and efficiency in deliveries. Quick transportation. Drones can bypass road traffic and take direct route, making them ideal for fast deliveries in urban areas or regions with congested road networks. On demand delivery, drones enable on demand or same day delivery for customers, which is particularly valuable for urgent deliveries like medical supplies or time sensitive goods. Then access to remote and hard to reach areas, rural and isolated locations. Drones can reach rural, mountainous, or remote areas that are difficult for traditional vehicles, enabling consistent delivery services even in hard to reach locations. Then disaster relief. During natural disasters, drone can deliver essential like food, water, and medical supplies to cut off regions, providing life-saving support when roads are inaccessible. Then environmental benefits and reduced carbon footprint. Lower emissions. Drones are typically powered by electricity rather than fuel, which reduces carbon emission compared to traditional delivery vehicles. Then reduced congestion. As more drones take to the skies, there's potential to reduce road congestion and pollution, contributing to cleaner, quieter cities. Enhanced delivery precision, pinpoint accuracy. Drones can deliver packages to specific coordinates or GPS locations with great precision, reducing the risk of misplaced packages and improving delivery success rates. Then autonomous navigation with AI and machine learning, drones can autonomously avoid obstacles, follow optimal flight path and ensure safe and accurate deliveries. Cost savings and operational efficiency. Reduced labor cost. Drones reduce the need for human drivers and can be operated remotely, lowering labor cost and enabling deliveries to happen around the clock. Scalability. Drones make it easier to scale delivery services, especially during peak demand times like holidays, as more drones can be deployed quickly to meet delivery surges. Enhanced security and reduced theft. Safe handling. Because drones typically make deliveries from above or in designated drop off zone, the risk of package tampering or theft is reduced. Then real time tracking. Drones often come with GPS tracking, providing real time location update, which gives customer peace of mind and increases the security of delivery process. Challenges and limitations are regulatory hurdles, battery life and payload capacity, weather dependency, privacy and security concern. Then example of drone delivery initiatives: medical supply, e-commerce deliveries, then postal services. Thank you.